Today in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 Android apps that you must install on your Android device if you use Android Auto in your car. Now these apps will pimp your ride and make your Android Auto much more useful than ever. So let's get to it. Now the first app that you should install is called Waze. Some of you might have heard about it. If you use Google Maps for navigation in your Android Auto and need something different or better, you should definitely try Waze. It's a navigation app just like Google Maps but offers a completely different user experience than the Google Maps. I like the design and navigation screen of the Waze. It's very different from the Google Maps. Plus, it offers some exclusive features that Google Maps doesn't have. For example, you can change the default navigation arrow on the map with your vehicle icon. You can even choose the car color from the options. Another great feature of Waze is that it lets you access your favorite music app directly from within the app. So, no need to leave the navigation screen. But the best feature that I personally like is that you can add your own voice for the navigation. So if you're bored listening to the robotic voice navigating you to your destination, you can now add navigation commands in your own voice. You can use your local language or English, whichever you prefer. For instance, I've added my voice in local language, which is Hindi. And here's how it sounds when I'm navigating using this app. Sab set hai, chalo chale. Isn't that nice? I really like these additional features in the Waze navigation app. And since maps are accurate as Google Maps, there's no need to worry. And in case you want to go back to Google Maps, just exit and choose Google Maps. So go ahead, install it, and let me know if you find Waze interesting or not. Now the next app is Senseri. Senseri is a tire pressure monitoring app and it displays your car tire pressure directly on the Android Auto screen, which is really cool. Now if your car doesn't have tire pressure monitoring system installed by the manufacturer, I highly recommend you to install these TPMS sensors in your car tires. The app displays tire pressure in real time and sounds an alarm if your tire pressure goes down or up than the recommended pressure. This not only makes your car look more cool but also safer for driving. Plus, it helps you get more mileage and increase the lifespan of your car tires. So if you own a car, I highly recommend you to install these sensors and this application to stay updated about your car tire on the go directly on the big Android Auto screen, just like this. I installed these sensors a year ago and they are working perfectly fine. They also saved me a few times from damaging my car tire. I have uploaded a detailed review on Senseri with installation guide, so if you want to know more, go watch that video, the link is in the description. Now the next app is Audible. Audible is a fairly popular audiobook app, but did you know it also supports Android Auto? You can install it in your Android device and listen to your favorite audiobooks on the go. Now personally, I love the idea of listening to my favorite audiobook while driving. I often use this app while commuting to office as it takes 1 to 1.5 hours to reach and same time to return home. So I use that time to kinda read the book. So instead of listening to music and playing same song repeatedly every day, I prefer listening to audiobooks. Now if you are an Amazon Prime member, you can get up to 3 months subscription absolutely free. So try it. This will help you learn new things. Besides, it will keep you alert and focused while driving. However, some books can be sleep inducing, and if you are not good at driving, you don't need to play audiobooks while driving. Now the last app is Talk. Talk is an OBD2 application, which means it displays the real-time data from your car sensors onto your Android Auto screen. Now this also helps you diagnose your car and find the fault in your car. You can also check your car performance and other data coming from various sensors installed in your car in real time. Besides, it looks cool on Android Auto screen. Again, just like Senseri, this also requires a hardware which is fairly cheap. You can buy it for $4 to $5 or 300 rupees from AliExpress or Amazon. The links are given in the description. To use it, all you have to do is connect this device to your car's OBD2 port, pair it with your Android phone, and install OBD2 Android Auto plugin to display all the information on your big screen. It displays critical information on your main screen such as speed, RPM, engine temperature, fuel consumption, CO2 emission, etc. all in real time. Now currently at the time of making this video, I don't have the OBD2 adapter, but you can watch several videos and it's good to have such a nice car diagnostic tool. I'm currently waiting for the lockdown to open up so that I can buy this OBD2 adapter for my car. So those were the 4 apps to customize and enhance your car's Android Auto experience. I strongly feel that these apps will definitely add up to your Android Auto experience. So do let me know what you think about these apps and this video. If you find this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this. To watch other videos, visit channel page or techpost.org, which is my personal tech blog. This was all for now. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.